Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, and I'm bringing you a video today of a brand new dash camera product that we have just started carrying from a company called GNET, and it's a very specialized camera for the commercial market. It's called the GT700, but not only would it work on commercial vehicles, I think it'll work on regular passenger vehicles as well. But first, let me just show you what it is. GT700, as outlined here in the pamphlet, it's a 4-channel dash camera. So you have the front main body camera, which faces out the front. It's got a 4-inch touchscreen on it. It comes with 3 other cameras, one for the left side, one for the right side, one for the rear. This here is the box, nice fancy white box, GNET GT700. Comes with a 64 gigabyte card, but it's capable of being connected to up to 2 terabytes of storage using an external USB solid state hard drive. But it comes with a 64 gig card in the package. It's also got Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can use your smartphone to watch the footage, but you can also review footage using the 4-inch touchscreen. It's got tamper-proof circuitry in it, so if somebody, as in the driver, tries to delete any footage, it will warn you of that, and it's really easy to use. Now, as outlined in the pamphlet, it is meant for commercial vehicles. These cameras for the left, right, and rear are weatherproof and ruggedized. We just finished doing an install on this truck right here, which is a brand new dump truck. Now, I'm going to show you the rear camera, which is this guy right here. That's the weatherproof rear. It comes with about 20 meters of cable to run from the front to the back. I'll show you the right-hand side camera. We mounted it on the right-hand mirror. We did the same on the left-hand side, so it gives you a left-hand view. And I'll briefly show you up front. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the front camera right in the center of the windshield. This truck happens to be a Peterbilt, and let me just hop in right now and show you how this system works. I am really impressed with this camera, and I think that it is going to be a game changer in the commercial dash camera market. So, I'm just going to turn the ignition on this truck. I'm going to close the door. Sorry about that. Uh-oh. I don't know what I just did, but I did something. Okay, so. So, this is basically the camera here. 4-inch touchscreen. You have LCD control, you have TV out, you have Wi-Fi, you have setup, live menu, power off, and then play. I'm just going to go to live to show you some of the views. So you can see it's interlaced. You've got front, you've got rear, you've got left, you've got right. If you touch each image, oh, I'm going to go back home. I apologize, this is my first time using this camera, so I'm not 100% on how it fully works, but this is basically the front view image. You'll see, as I'm pointing, that's the front view. If I hit this there, I go live, each one I touch should give me the view. So there's my coworker Christian, he's in the back, this is the back of the truck. If I touch that, that's basically the left-hand side. If I touch that, that is the right-hand side. Now the recording, when you review the files, it will show you all 4 cameras. And what's cool about it is you can actually zoom. Now, I don't know if I can zoom in the live view, but on the recorded footage, when you view the image that's been recorded, you can actually zoom in. So for example, you'll see that light. The camera's recording a recording of this entire view, but if I wanted to, when I was reviewing something, let's say somebody broke into the truck or an accident happened, in the recording I can actually zoom into various objects. Now, what sets this camera apart from anything else that we carry right now is it's 4 channels. So that means front channel is the first, rear channel is the second, left is the third, right is the fourth. You have 4 separate cameras in one housing, and it's commercialized, and it's easy to use in the fleet trucking environment, which is very, very unique. Not a lot exists out there right now in terms of products like this. The other thing it has, as mentioned, it's got Wi-Fi, so you do have the ability to review footage on your smartphone, and it's got a GPS antenna, so it will give you a live location of where the footage was recorded. Now, we will be making another in-depth video of how the camera works. I'll have another phone set up so you can actually see the app, but this gives you an idea of exactly what the GT700 is and the power that this camera can provide to fleet owners in terms of recording what's going on in your trucks. Without further ado, that's about it for this video. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a dash camera to your truck or to your car for that matter, we carry all different types. The GT7 is but one of them. And if you're looking for a 4-channel solution, this is a great way to go. 1-866-824-4118. Lockdown Security. We're your dash camera source here in Canada as well as all throughout North America. We'd love to assist. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you.